today I'm working with Assistant Pro and Visual Composer. I've set up two sites for this demo. One of them has content on it, and we're going to take that content and put it onto this blank site. I'm running the premium version of Visual Composer on both of these sites. And I'm also going to be using the Global Templates Visual Composer add-on. So I'm going to put that on my second site right now. I already put it on my first site. So now that we have that Global Templates add-on installed, we'll have this Global Templates option in Assistant Pro as well. Okay, now that I've showed you the Global Templates add-on, I'm going to go back to my first site with the content on it. So we have this layout here with the pictures of sand dunes, and then we also have a layout with some jungle pictures. So I'll use Assistant Pro to get my sand dune content over to the second site as page content. And for the page with the jungle pictures, I'm gonna make that into global template content and import that onto my second site as a global template. So I'll start out by making a library to put my content into. Now I can put this page content with the dunes into my library straight from my Libraries app. Now for my second site, I'm going to navigate to that library that I created earlier, Visual Composer Demo. I'll select the dunes page content and create and edit. Create and edit will import the content and also open up the page for me. So that was the page content demo. Now I'll demo global templates. So to avoid confusion, I'm going to return back to this placeholder page, and I'm going to jump over to our other site, the one with the page layouts. So I'll open up Visual Composer and save this layout as a global template. So last time I added content to the library from the Libraries app, and so let's do it from the Content app this time. So if we don't install the Global Template add-on, we won't see this, so that's why I went over that in the beginning of the video. To add content from the Content app, just click on the piece of content you want to add, save to Library, and then choose the library that you want to add the content to. So I'm going to import this onto my site with Assistant Pro, and then it's going to be available to me on the back end of the site in Visual Composer. So that's the end of this demo on adding page content and template content to Visual Composer sites using Assistant Pro. Thanks for watching. Bye!